Welcome back to this week's Bailey Built. We're taking the projects outdoors and working on that green thumb. It's all about planting, and this week we're going to plant some vegetables. Here's how it's done. Well, I began with a trip to Ace Hardware. I picked up a few prepackaged vegetables. I grabbed a tray of Purple Beauty bell peppers and Roma tomatoes. Next, it was off to grab some soil. This package by Miracle Grow is made specifically for planting vegetables. A roll of all-purpose burlap will serve as the base layer, and of course, I needed a planter box. For this, I went with a 30-inch cedar box. My daughters wanted to paint this a bright blue, so I grabbed a can of Rust-Oleum. Once the paint dried, I added the burlap to the bottom and sides of the planter. Overlapping the sheet, make sure that you have enough to cover the entire area. Then simply just trim the excess. Now it was time to add the soil. I poured a medium layer across the bottom, then a more generous layer after closing the burlap. Now, it was time to add those little starter plants. I dug small holes and dropped them in just below the surface, then added more soil across the top. I called in my daughters to give me a hand adding a little water, and we were good to go. All right, and as you can see, well, the planter box is ready to go. We've got bell peppers on one side, and of course we're having a good time with the tomatoes, Romata tomatoes on the other side. It's something fun you could do with your family outdoors, and it's very simple. A Saturday morning project, of course, and you're all good to go. If you'd like to see more projects like this, all you have to do is click that like button or smash subscribe. I'd like to thank Sydney and Sasha for being my helpers this morning, and until the next time, take care.